Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm super excited to share with you the transformation of this old, run-down tiny house that's been sitting abandoned for years. Take a look at what we started with. It's seen better days, right? We're about to turn this eyesore into something amazing. Let's take a look outside first. Let me know in the comments if you could live somewhere like this. Now let's step inside. First up, the open-plan living room, diner, and kitchen. We designed it to be light and airy so it feels relaxing and more spacious. I added some interesting artwork for a pop of color. The kitchen is compact but very functional. The open-plan living makes the area feel more spacious. The bedroom makes good use of storage. Again, I added a pop of color and bright bedding to make the room feel warmer. The decorative mirror adds design style and also helps the room feel bigger. Tell me in the comments what you think of this room. Yes, we've used the help of AI, but most items in this tiny house are made using real products. If you like the pictures behind me, for example, you can find a link to them in the description. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe Magic Renovations. Let me know in the comments what type of renovation videos you enjoy watching. Now let's take a look at the bathroom. It features a double shower, wood effect porcelain tiles, and some lovely accessories. To create lots of light but maintain privacy, we added this large obscure glass window. I just love it. Storage is also important in a small house, so there is more than enough space here. I love these reusable glass pump dispensers from Bauer Collective too. Tell me what you like about this bathroom or what you would do differently. So that's the end of this tiny house redesign tour. It is based on dimensions of 9 foot by 40 foot. I hope it has given you some ideas for your own designs and renovations. Please take a look at some of the Magic Renovation shorts as well. You will find some of our more, how can I put it? Magical ideas.